Exact measurements are listed in the description section of this video. We're starting with our noodles. Let's cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes for an al dente pasta. Make sure to add some salt to your boiling water. I already boiled the Dungeness crab. This one crab alone is close to about 3 pounds in weight. It's gonna have a lot of meat for sure. In a separate bowl, we're gonna open our crab and remove all the brown meat or crab fat from the head and the body. They add an awesome depth of flavor you won't achieve with just the crab meat. Add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil in your pan. Then add 1 stick of butter. Make sure your heat is set to low so you don't burn the butter. When the butter has melted, add the garlic. Add the hot chili peppers. I'm also adding half a jar of fermented crab paste. This is my secret ingredient when making this dish. You can buy this at any Asian grocery stores. I'm also adding half of the crab fat and crab meat from the Dungeness crab. I'm actually making 2 batches of this dish, so I'm only using half of the crab fat and meat here. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then add your noodles. Not gonna add any salt since the crab paste that I added earlier is already salty. You can add salt if you're unable to find or use the crab paste. Also add a dash of ground black pepper. Then add some fresh Italian parsley. Now this is ready. Let's transfer our pasta in a bowl and decorate. Add some of the crab meat. Also meat from the crab legs and claws. Some hot chili peppers. Let's splash some lemon juice. Dried parsley, and some Parmesan cheese. Here's my take on spicy crab linguine. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.